Hey everyone, good morning. So you can see a beautiful palette of colors here. For today, I have handpicked 4 saris for you guys. Now these are party wear saris. As you can see, they are all handworked saris, and the best part is all of the 4 saris are in a very flowy fabric, which many of you have been asking me. Now the first two, as you can see, are in the fabric crispy georgette. I think most of you are familiar with the fabric crispy georgette, and here I have this one which is in crepe silk, and this one is in art silk. So without wasting time, let's just get into each of the sari and see what all designs and what the fabric is all about. So here the first one is in a very fresh summery pink shade, a beautiful pink shade, as you can see, and the color combination is in a lovely combo of sea green and turquoise blue. It could be slightly different in the video because it looks more of blue. It has a light sea green touch also. The threads are in sea green and a beautiful turquoise blue combination. So that's the combo basically. Now crispy georgette saris are almost like georgette, but they're a little more stronger than the georgette fabric, and as you can see, I'm placing hand below. It is not see-through, slightly sheer. It's just slightly transparent, but it is of no concern. You can leave it in a single layer, or you can pleat it up as well. So, and it is also thick enough, but at the same time flowy. It naturally has this small thin gold lining to it as a border for the whole drape. Now this particular sari, what I have here is the handwork that is given is an applique work. So as you can see, this particular design is an applique work which is given for the borders of the sari. So you can find this work on the borders of the sari. Okay, and the palla, I'm going to show you the palla because I am showing you with one hand. It might just take a while. So here you go, this is the palla of the sari. Now you can see the entire pallu area is handworked with tiny antique beads which is scattered throughout the palla, and the border of the palla has this applique work running across the ends, and it also has these small buttas matching to the bigger ones across the palla area. And for the board, and the rest of the sari would be plain with this kind of small buttas here and there on the sari, and also you have these for the borders of the sari. So this is a very pretty simple sari, but which has an elegant handwork, a very classy handwork, which is an applique work with just small tiny antique beads. So the only gold thing that you can see is the simple silver lining for the border and these simple antique beads. The antique bead scattering is only given for the palla. The rest of the sari will only have antique beads on these floral designs. So that is this all about this sari. And the contrast and the blouse piece is in this contrast color, which is same as that of the color that you see here. Now we have given this blouse also. There is a small work given here which is matching to the sari, again with beadwork and also the same thread color as that of the sari. This is basically intended for your sleeves. So this blouse is in cotton silk, and there is also simple handwork for the blouse as you saw, so you can use that for your sleeves. So this one is the first sari that I have for you guys today. A very pretty combination in a beautiful pink and sea green and turquoise blue with antique beads. A very good party wear, a very beautiful party wear. The next one I have here is in this lovely parrot green. It's a very vibrant color in green. It's a beautiful parrot green. This is also the same fabric as the previous one, which is crispy georgette. So again, I'm going to place the hand underneath. As you can see, it is barely see-through, no issues at all, and very flowy fabric. Absolutely lovely flowy fabric which you can very comfortably wear and use. And I've had many customers go for this fabric. We've had many designers in this fabric earlier in our collection, like probably a year ago. We've had a lot of collections in our in Saki, and we've had a lot of customers using them, and we've got pretty good reviews for this fabric. So Again, now the difference of this sari is the work. The earlier one had an applique work. Now this one has this beautiful bullion, rose bullion work. Okay, now this is in parrot green, and what I have here is in a lovely tone of dark green. It's a lovely shade. It's not a forest green and it's not a bottle green. It's a different shade of green, beautiful shade of maybe a teal green, a darker tone of teal green, but a very pretty color. I think in the video it looks slightly dark because it's a little cloudy outside. So I'll post the picture separately so that you guys get a better look at the color and the color shades of the sari. So please take a look at the picture postings as well. Now here in this sari, what we have is this bullion work rose, and along with these leaf thread work, and also there are small gold kattus here. It's a silver kattu, actually it's not gold, it's a silver kattu which is given here. Just give you a closer look of the work. Okay, so these are small works which is running along the borders of the sari. Very very cute small designs running along the entire length of the sari. And I'm going to show you the palla, which is also worked with the same design, and it is scattered. So this is basically the palla of the sari, which is scattered with this cute work of bullion and thread work in kattu. So your entire palla is scattered and worked with these designs, and this runs along the border of the sari. So this particular sari's elegance and gorgeousness is completely in that parrot shade green color, which is so pretty, and the work is so very 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 simple but very beautiful work which is given along the borders of the sari and also for the palla, making it very simple, and so that we don't lose the the beauty of that color. So that's why the work is kept very minimal, just to give you that kind of an attractiveness to the drape. Now the blouse here is in raw silk, and it's matching to the color of the thread work. So this color is what is given here. It is not the color that you see in the video. It's a beautiful green shade. It's a very beautiful teal green shade, and we also have the same thread work which is matching to the blouse, which is matching to the sari for the sleeves. So we have this small bit of work given for your sleeves. So this is basically your second sari, which has this beautiful bullion work, and it is also in crispy georgette. So that's the second sari. The third one that I have here is in this beautiful blue color. It's in a beautiful dark shade of blue. As you can see, there is this lovely peach orange piping which is given for the entire borders of the sari. This has been done. Piping is given for the entire borders of the sari. Now this is a complete thread worked sari which has this small designs of floral designs along with pearl work given in the centers, and you have a mix of orange, peach pink and green color. So this particular design that you see also runs along the border of the sari. The body of the sari is plain, so this design basically comes for the border, the chest portion and the pleat portion. And you also have this lovely one second, I'll just open this out for you. So this is the palla of the sari, where you have it at the borders and also at one side of the it goes running along the sari, and you have it at the borders. So that's the palla of the sari. And I would like to show you the chest area also, which has a little bit of extra work. So I'll just show that part. Okay, so this is basically your chest portion. Okay, as you can see, there is this beautiful French knots, okay, French knots scattered for your chest portion and the design. So this is, if you leave it in a single layer, if you just leave it as a single layer, you will have this portion coming right across your chest. So it's a very pretty portion with a lot of colors and simple works given. So that's the chest portion, and you also have work for the pleat area and also for the pallu. And the blouse for this is in self color, It is in self color, and there is a work given for the sleeves. Matching to the one that is on the sari, you also have a work for the sleeves. So again, the blouse is also in crepe silk and work is also given. So that's the third sari. And the fourth one is in a very simple art silk sari where the entire body of the sari is in this design. Okay, this is an art silk sari which is in complete printed sari, and only the palla portion is in this black shade where you have this antique beads scattered throughout with an applique work done. So your entire palla area right from your shoulder, so it starts right from your shoulder, you have this complete work scattered, and the blouse is also in black, and it also has this particular work for the sleeves. So this is your fourth and the final sari. So all of these saris, guys, are, except for this one, the other three saris are priced almost at 6,000, but it is on a discount sale and you will get it at a very good price. So please get back to me on WhatsApp and or Instagram or FB for booking. The prices are now almost in 3,000 range, so for all the saris except for this one becomes even lesser than that. So you can come get back to me on WhatsApp if you would like to know the price and if you would like to do the booking. And I would also request you all to take a look at the picture posting which will be given in Instagram or FB. So thank you guys, take care, bye.